Hi all, welcome to my show. This is Swagata and this is Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. So we're doing today's show and this particularly I'm doing dishes like olive achar. I think you know, but olive is full of vitamin E and it is ये सर्दी का मौसम है, so it's winter and we really enjoy achar, paratha, all these things in winter. And with it I will prepare French fries. And French fries, French fries already, if you have seen my programs, Facebook Lives with Amol, you have seen that French fries are there. So I will make today wedges, potato wedges. That is just like French fries, but the cut is different. So let me start with the ingredients. Okay, this is the potato or aloo I have. For French fries, I will use air fryer. I am putting some salt to the potato wedges and some olive oil. Olive is जैतून का तेल, right? So it's very healthy oil and I really like olive, and if you go through my shows, live shows, you can see that in many cases I have used this thing. Olive oil, olives, and in winter we get it easily. Now a little bit chilies. This is my air fryer. I have two. Yeah, the French fries or the wedges, potato wedges are going in, and the olive oil you can see with salt and red chili powder. Very easy to make, and if you have air fryer, use it because it will take very less oil. And yeah, this is the thing. Now I will put it in my air fryer. Yeah, it's in the air fryer for 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes, the wedges will be prepared. So this is our main part today. The olive pickle और जैतून का अचार, right? So for this pickle, what we need actually, this is olive or जैतून. This is olive and in winter you will get it because ये हम लोगों का देसी olive है, इसलिए ये ऐसे दिख रहा है और इसमें बहुत सारे गुण हैं, इसलिए मैं ये यूज़ कर रही हूँ क्योंकि ये अचार खाने का तो मन करता ही है सर्दी में. तो जैसे आम का अचार समर में हम लोग बनाते हैं, तो विंटर में ऑलिव बहुत ही अच्छा और बहुत मिलता है. इट्स अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट. सो एंड आई हैव ग्रीन चिलीज. दिस इज मस्टर्ड ऑयल या सरसों का तेल. और ये है स्पाइसेस. दिस इज सौंफ, अजवाइन, कालंजी और जीरा और मेथी. So this is the 5 spices I have and ये मिला लीजिए ऐसे, ये बन जाएगा. और इसको क्या करना है, ऑलिव को एक्चुअली दिस इज रॉ ऑलिव, कच्चा है. So you have to just boil it. After boiling the olive, it will look like this. I will show you. It will look like this. Yeah. This is the brown color. Yeah. Now, ये सरसों का तेल, अचार जो बनता है ना, अचार में सरसों का तेल मस्ट है क्योंकि इसका एक अपना ही एक खासियत है. वो अचार को भी प्रोटेक्ट करेगा और it has a very unique quality. And it goes very well, mustard oil, with any pickle you make. It will enhance the taste. So, I'm putting oil. What I am making today, olive का अचार या जैतून का अचार. So, people who have joined late, I am just repeating. Already we have made French fries. You can say potato wedges because the cuts are different from French fries. Already I have made French fries. It's ongoing shows, and with Amol, it's a wonderful experience altogether. And this is the olive, boiled olive. And what you can do, आप ये कर सकते हैं, ऐसे रॉ ऑलिव को ऐसे आप इसको हल्दी और थोड़ा नमक देकर आप सुखा लीजिए. बहुत लोग वैसे ही अचार बनाते हैं, मगर इफ़ यू वांट टू मेक इट क्विकर, लाइक आई एम इन लाइव शो, सो आई नीड टू डू इट वेरी क्विक, सो आई एम डूइंग इट. बट यू कैन, इफ यू हैव टाइम, you can do in this process. You just put some turmeric, some salt and put it in the sun for some days, and then you make the achar in the same manner. So this is our olives. Yeah, the oil is hot now. Now I will put the spice. बंगाली में हम लोग बोलते हैं इसको फोड़न, 5 फोड़न. I don't know in Hindi, but this is the main ingredients of achar. और ऐसे आप ऑलिव को ना तोड़ कर दीजिए. You just mash it and then put it. बहुत ही अचार का जो स्मेल आता है ना, बहुत ही उम्दा होता है। इट्स वेरी नाइस। एंड ये सर्दी का मौसम है, आप खुद बनाइए और पूरा घर में सबको खिलाइए, बहुत ही इंजॉय करेंगे आप। इट्स वेरी टेस्टी। And as I told, zaitun is olive is full of vitamin E, and even it protects from cancer, it protects from many other diseases. So in winter, if you can make this achar, or if you can have it with like in salads, so have plenty of olives, because it's very healthy, full of vitamin E, and the more you will take, the more you will gain. You will gain health. And you know, achar takes some time. Don't hurry to make. आप थोड़ा टाइम लेकर इसको बनाइए. Don't when you have enough time in your hand, then only you start doing this kind of achar. Because जितना मेहनत से और लगन से आप अचार बनाएंगे, उतना ही वो अच्छा होगा. So और you know, achar means that it goes pretty well with grandmas. वो जो घर का जो सब माहौल होता है, सब इकट्ठे बैठकर अचार बनाते हैं, वो बहुत ही अच्छा होता है. So I hope you will like, you will enjoy, and this is a very tasty achar. I hope today also I will make it very tasty, and it will be easier for you to make at home. This actually I want that you, whatever I am preparing, if you like it, you just make it at home, and then you just write to me that how, and you can send some snaps, you can mail me, and if you go through my website, that is www.psychologicalways.com, and I'm there in Facebook, Insta, and always follow me the way you follow in YouTube channel, that is Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. Yeah, I'm very happy that lots and lots of friends are joining, and now it's a big community, you know. It's a big family all together in Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. It's really nice. I really feel nice to be connected. So many people from India, people from abroad, people from village, people from big cities, all are connected in one platform. And Cooking is Heavenly, Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly is becoming a very big family. And we are a part of another very, very, very big family, that is Amul. Amul, the Taste of India, from which platform I am here today and as a chef, and I am quite enjoying. And ये सर्दी है, विंटर का मौसम है, आप लोग के साथ ये अचार बना रही हूँ, और क्या चाहिए बोलिए, मस्त है लाइफ. And this is smelling really nice. And you will see from time to time the color will change. And keep it in low flame. When you are preparing any pickle, keep it in low flame and give some time because this needs time and then it will be very tasty. Don't rush with pickle. अब जब पिकल बनाएगा तो बनाएंगे तो इतना ध्यान दीजिए कि आपके पास इनफ टाइम हो. टाइम होगा तो पिकल मस्त बनेगा. अब कितना अच्छा स्मेल आ रहा है. आहा. So now I will cut some chilies. हरी मिर्च अब बोलते हैं ना, इसको भी हम कट करेंगे. Okay, this is the green chilies. I will add it now to my achar. देखिए कितना अच्छा कलर आ रहा है. The color is so beautiful and the smell is so good. मुंह में तो पानी आ रहा है अभी. Now add some salt. नमक ऐड कीजिए. हम लोग बना रहे हैं जैतून का अचार या ऑलिव पिकल. आई एम मेकिंग ऑलिव पिकल. देखिए सब कुछ मिक्स हो रहा है इसमें और उसका अपना जो कलर है वो कलर भी चेंज कर रहा है. ये फर्स्टली इट वाज सो मच ग्रीन. नाउ इट हैज बिकम ब्राउन ऑल टुगेदर. तो मेरा अचार बन रहा है. Many friends have joined, I guess. So many friends. Wow, it's great. Let me talk to them. Hi all. It's wonderful to be with you all. It's lovely winter. Yes, I hope I'm audible and you can see me. Yeah, you're always there with my shows. I'm so glad. I'm honored. And over here, this platform is given by Amul. And Amul, you know, they have so many products. It's the taste of India, and we use every day from butter to milk, it's cards, everything, ice cream, chocolates, and so many new things are coming from Srikhand to many other things. And it's really a very nice platform where all the chefs are connected. I'm Swagata, and I'm from Cooking is Heavenly. This is Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. This is my kitchen, and yeah, my friends are there. Smita ji, Namaste. Meenakshi ji, Harchan ji, Anita ji, Namaste. Welcome to my show. Yogesh ji, hello. Arup Ganguly ji, hi. Ramesh Kumar ji, Gautam ji, Avanish ji, welcome to my show. Raju ji, Ashit ji, Jay ji, Daksh ji, Rakesh ji, Vijay ji, Ashmita ji, namaste. Namaste to all. Vinod ji, Usha ji, Israt ji, namaste. Shravan ji, so many friends. I'm really lucky. I feel really lucky. And ये सर्दी का मौसम में ऐसे चीज़ बनाते हैं और सब फ्रेंड मिलकर ये बहुत ही अलग सा एक एहसास है. और आप लोग मेरे को फॉलो कीजिए फेसबुक पे. Cooking is Heavenly. Swagatas, you just write Swagatas Cooking is Heavenly. You will get to see all my recipes, and I'm there in Insta, in Facebook, and my YouTube channel is also Swagatas Cooking is Heavenly. Yeah. अनुराधा जी नमस्ते. सुनैना जी, सामीना जी, गजेंद्र जी, जैन जी, कमल जी, अनिमा जी, साजिद जी, राधा जी. Actually, I am preparing olive pickle. That is जैतून का अचार. और जैतून और olive, it's very good for health, you know. It's full of vitamin E, and if you use it in your daily food, it will help you to just protect yourself from cancer, from diabetes, from many other diseases. You know, I'm a psychologist, and you always stay connected with my website, that is www.psychologicalways.com. So as a medical person also, I'm telling you, it's a lovely food added to your daily food routine. You just add as salad or as achar, and in winter you will get it over here, because I know it's the all is imported. What we get, it's imported olives, but we have desi olive, which is our own olives, and we get it in winter. So you just collect it from the market. You just collect it from the market. And you prepare something with it and preserve it for the year. Yeah, I'm making two things, and already the French fries, the potato wedges, it's air frying with olive oil and other spices, and I'm doing this olive achar or jaitun ki achar and olive pickle. It's really wonderful dish. You just see and how easily I'm making it. I always prepare things that is easily available, seasonal things that you can just take it, not imported one. You will get it in the market and you can prepare it easily. That is my only concern, that you love the food and it will add a very good thing to your daily family life, that is health. Health is the main thing. So if you use seasonal things, seasonal food, आप जितना भी सीजनल चीज़ें यूज़ करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा आपको बेनिफिट मिलेगा हेल्थ वाइज. या कल्पेश जी, सबको नमस्ते, all are welcome. Yeah, we are doing this olive pickle, and now I will add some. You just see the color is becoming golden brown. Now I will add some sugar. ये बहुत ही खट्टा है, इसलिए मैं ये जो शुगर आप ऐड करेंगे थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही आपको देना पड़ेगा. आपको आपके पास अगर जैगरी हो, जैसे गुड़ जिसको, you can add that also, because jaggery is also very healthy. कितना मस्त बन रहा है, आप देखिए. इट्स सो नाइस. Now I will add this red chili powder. थोड़ा सा ही ऐड करूँगी क्योंकि ऑलरेडी आई हैव पुट some green chilies, so you just use this red chili powder, just 1 teaspoon. That will do. ज़्यादा नहीं इसको देना है, बट शुगर तो ज़्यादा लगेगा ही. जितने ये पकते जा रहे हैं ना, इसका स्मेल उतना ही अच्छा बनता है यार. इट्स स्मेलिंग सो नाइस, आई रियली कांट एक्सप्लेन टू यू. इट्स अमेजिंग स्मेल. और मुंह में तो पानी आ रहा है. ये सर्दी का मौसम में आप बनाइए. But the process is really easy. You just boil the olive and you just add some mustard oil, some salt, some spices, and the way I am making it, you just make it. Olive is, now you will get it in the market. And as I told you, achar or pickle, it will take some time. So be patient with me because you have to give some time to the achar. Because in low flame you have to do all the thing, and always use mustard oil. For any kind of अचार और एनी काइंड ऑफ पिकल यू आर मेकिंग, आप उसमें ये मस्टर्ड ऑयल यूज़ करिए. सरसों का तेल वो बहुत ही अच्छा जाता है. उसका अपना खासियत है, वो अचार को प्रोटेक्ट भी करता है. और इसमें गया थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट, शुगर और मस्टर्ड ऑयल और and some spices. I have showed everything. We have joined letter for them. I am telling already. We today there in the air fryer there is French fries, and I will check it. And this achar is also going, and see the color. देखिए ऑयल का जो ग्लिटरिंग पार्ट अभी ऊपर वो आ रहा है. Always I try to do things in front of the camera and easiest way. I always suggest you the easiest way. I don't use ingredients which is not available. I don't use names which is very upstart and out of your text. Like people always try to just do something in front of the camera which you can't do by yourself. But I generously try the items which are the ingredients that things are available in the market and easily available, pocket friendly and healthy. So this is Swagata, your foodie chef, and if you go through my all shows, the way you're going through, you can see that easiest things जो मार्केट में आपको मिलता है, सीजनल हो, उन चीज़ों से हम बनाते हैं. नेम भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट नहीं है और आपको बनाने में भी डिफिकल्टीज नहीं होता है. सो आई रियली वांट दैट पीपल मस्ट डू द थिंग एंड उसको वो प्रिपेयर करना आएगा, ऐसे हम बनाते हैं. So that when things are easily available and when you want to do it and when it is healthy, obviously you will try. No imported olives are required. एकदम देसी जो मिलता है आपको बाजार से आप लेना, वैसे ही बनाना और बहुत ही मस्त, बहुत ही अच्छा बन रहा है. आप देखिए, आपको हम पहले भी दिखाया, ऐसे था रॉ ऑलिव्स. ये रॉ जैसे बाजार में मिलता है, फिर उसको हम बॉयल किए ऑलिव को, फिर उसको हम अचार बनाए. इट्स वेरी इजी. यू जस्ट बॉयल द ऑलिव्स and then you soak the water out and then you prepare the achar. The pickle will be your घर का pickle एकदम. And for sugar and salt, you will taste it and you will add it accordingly. मेरा पिकल बन गया है. जस्ट लुक एट द कलर. प्रदीप जी नमस्ते, कविता सक्सेना जी नमस्ते, जॉन जी नमस्ते. हाँ, ये पिकल बन रहा है सर्दी का मौसम में, एक उंदा पिकल आप लोगों के लिए. आई होप यू लाइक इट. दिस इज स्वागता's कुकिंग इज हेवनली एंड आई एम इन द अमूल प्लेटफॉर्म विथ यू ऑल. अनिंदिता जी, किरण जी, कीर्ति जी, मनसुख जी, चंद्रशेखर जी, दीपिका जी, सरिता जी, कुसुम जी, मंजूर जी, जोहाना जी, सुमित गोयल जी नमस्ते, रंजीत सिंह जी, रूपाली जी, दिशा जी, राजीव जी, आली सिंह जी नमस्ते. वेलकम टू माय शो. मुकुट कुमार जी, प्रदीप जैन जी, कविता जी नमस्ते. वेलकम टू माय शो. It's really wonderful to be here with you all. It's a lovely evening from Kolkata, and this is your foodie chef Swagata. You're in Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. Watch all my shows. I'm with Amul, and obviously you just subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, that is also Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. And so many friends have joined and हम लोग सब मिलकर बना रहे हैं जैतून का अचार और ऑलिव का अचार. ये सर्दी में बहुत ही मस्त लग रहा है. आई होप यू पीपल आर ऑल्सो एंजॉइंग विथ मी एज यूजुअल. लेट मी चेक नाउ विथ माय पोटैटो वेजेस. Just see, it is also done. Lovely wedges. देखिए कैसे बन गया. अभी इसको हम बाहर निकाल देंगे. देखिए कितना मस्त बना है. It's lovely. The smell is lovely, and it will taste also. It's so amazing. The color, the texture, and in winter, this is a lovely pickle. जैतून का अचार या ऑलिव का pickle. Olive pickle is very healthy. ये बहुत गर्म है अभी. चलिए इसको ठंडा होने देंगे हम, फिर उसको जार में हम ऐड करेंगे. So this is your potato wedges or French fries, whatever you can say. This is done, and this is your olive pickle in the middle. So it's a complete dish. Because जब भी हम लोग अचार खाते हैं ना, वो कि कुछ ऐसे स्नैक्स या इसको चाहिए. And this olive pickle, I must say that it's also, you can with chawal, with rice, with paratha, with naan, whatever you are having, you can just add this one to your platter, and it will be nice for you, because this is very tasty, very very tasty. And I hope आज का ये जो total show था, I hope you have enjoyed like me, and with all friends. It's always I'm coming back with you. So many shows are there with Amul, and also coming on 25th December, that is Christmas Day, and we will enjoy with cakes, with cookies and many more things. So Swagata's cooking is heavenly with you always, and this is Swagata, your chef. Follow me, like me, and subscribe my YouTube channel. That is Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. And with you all, it's a lovely evening I have spent, and thank you. Namaste sabko, and I have enjoyed a lot. And this dish is always, I always love that if you prepare and you write to me. So, bye for today. Namaste. Bye. Take care.